Hello everyone, that's what I have today. Workforce Pro WF-R5690 by Epson. This is a huge size printer, ink tank technology like Epson Eco Tanks, but this is Workforce Pro. So we are going to check now nozzles. I will see first what is the level of nozzles, because some colors are missing that I got complaint from a client. I will click on print head nozzle check and will press start button. It will print for me the nozzle test page. So we will diagnose which nozzle is blocked and how can we clean this today. So it's printed for me in front of you, right? You can see this is the report for the nozzles. All nozzles are working fine except magenta. Magenta is not printing because you can see magenta have no color. So the initial step that I always told you, first of all I installed the driver. This is my laptop screen, you can see I already installed the driver, and I will click now control panel, this command control printers, and same method you can use all kind of Epson printers. Okay, here we go, printers and scanners. So you have to find this model in my printers list. Here we go, this is the one. I will click on it, and then I will click on printing preferences, and then I will click on maintenance. You can see, so we have three options here: nozzle check, head cleaning, print head alignment. There is no power cleaning option over here, so we have to go for it, print head cleaning. So the same option you can find on the screen also. If I will show you, just I clicked on head cleaning, you can clean from here also, clean the print head, or you can click from here. Both are same. So we'll click here, clean the print head. We press start button. So its cleaning process has been started. Let it complete, then we will check the print quality again. So this light is blinking, it means that the process has been started. So I have to give a time to this printer around 5 to 7 minutes, then we will get back to it and we'll check it again. We'll have a look on the nozzles again. Yeah, process completed, all lights stable now. Okay, and we'll click print nozzle check pattern again. Make sure that is there any difference. So if there is no difference, then I will do once more time through my laptop. Still its magenta is missing, little bit working but not well. Yeah, after 2 attempts it's getting little better. Before it was not printing at all, now it's printing but with broken lines. This was the previous one, you can see. The first one was here, if you will see, this was the first one, not printing at all. So we have to clean it using computer utility 2 or 3 times, then hopefully all nozzles will be unclogged. This is the method, and 2 or 3 times you will clean, it will work finally. If you have any other question regarding Workforce printer or any other EcoTank model by Epson, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.